At 3 a.m., in a dark, quiet room, a refrigerator slowly opens by itself. Cold air and mist pour out of it. Suddenly, a strange boy named Tung Tung slowly steps out from inside the fridge. His face is blank, his movements are slow and stiff. As he stands up, a loud voice from nowhere suddenly yells, "Sir!" Tung Tung doesn't speak, he only looks straight with no expression. Then, he starts dancing strangely, lifting his arms and spinning slowly like a broken robot. The lights flicker. The narrator says, since that day, the world knows him as TUNG TUNG SAHUR. Freeze frame. End.